Scared of patchy results? So when it comes to the perfect shading technique, remember this crucial tip. The needle must come out of the skin on both sides. Why it's so important? Well, it's all about achieving the perfect blend. Such shading results in lighter and more delicate edges, and these edges are really easy to blend together while overlapping. Let's discuss now common mistake. So here you can see that the needle moving towards yourself stops in the end without coming out of the skin and starts to move against yourself from this point. This point will be the most intense in the end, and such bold edge will be really hard to blend. So let's compare. You can see soft edges on this block, and the middle part is also pretty soft. And on this block we can see the soft upper part, and the lower part is much more bold. And it will be much harder to blend this block than this one.